Hello little artist, I'm Mariana Olson and today we're drawing a present folding surprise. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with, I'm using markers, and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. We're gonna start folding the paper in half. Then we're gonna take the bottom part and fold in half again. Now we're gonna flip it over and fold one more time. And then we're gonna open it, you're gonna flip it, and we're gonna start drawing right here. Hello little artists, today we're drawing a folding surprise present with a bunny inside. I hope you like this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. We're gonna start with the box first, and we are gonna leave 3 finger space on each side, and then we're gonna do a line that goes up. It's the same thing, 3 fingers and a line that goes up. And now we're gonna rotate a little bit the paper to join these from side to side. Now we're gonna do the bow on the top, and we're gonna start with a half a circle here in the middle. And we're gonna make a big bow. So we're gonna do 2 U shapes on the top of the bow, and these are gonna be sideways and upside down, just like this. And I'm gonna make another one, and like I said, they're long, and connect back with the circle. Now we're gonna connect the top of the U shape down here with a curve, from here down with a curve, and there we have a big bow. Now we're gonna go underneath the fold part, and we're gonna leave about a finger space, and then we're gonna trace a line that goes down, and before I get to the end, I'm gonna stop. It's about a finger space from here to the line. I wanna do the same thing on the other side. I wanna try to make them look the same distance, and now I'm rotating the paper, and I want to trace a line that goes from side to side. So that's it for the outside part. Now let's open the paper. And the first thing we're going to do is to finish this slit. I'm going to cross the lines here. And we're going to go from side to side again. Make sure not to cross the folding part. We're going to cross the line, and it's going to reach half of this folding part. Cross and go up. Now let's do the same on the other side. Now we're going to trace the paws, and we're going to leave a little bit of a space on each side, and I'm going to trace a circle. This is the first paw. Leave a space here, and we're going to trace another one. And inside we're going to trace 1 and 2 lines. This is going to make it look a little bit more like the paw. I'm going to turn my paper, and now I'm going to cross from side to side, going from this corner, connecting with the feet, and going here, in behind, and to the other side. Okay? Okay, now we're going to do the face. I'm going to start from where I did the little paws, and I'm going to connect with the folding part. So I'm going to start here at the end of the circle and connect with the folding part. The same thing here, from the circle and connecting with the folding. I want to leave a little bit of a space after this fold, and I want to trace a line that crosses over the 2 lines. So I'm going to start here, and this line curves up a little bit. This is going to be the top of the head and the beginning of the hat. There, so I pass a little bit these 2 lines that I have here. Now I'm going to do a little bit of a curve going up on each side. And we're gonna join one more time this part, and this time the curve is pointing a little bit up. Now from this corner, we're gonna connect with the box for the ears. So we're gonna go curving down and connect it with the box, and the same thing on the other side. He has big ears, and they're pointing down because he has a hat. Now we're gonna do the nose, and this nose is gonna be in the center underneath the folding part. We're gonna start with a curve and a triangle shape underneath, and then we're gonna do 1 and 2-letter U's for the smile or the mouth. Now I want to do the eyes by doing 2 oval shapes, and these oval shapes are going to cross a little bit of the folding part on the top part, and I want to fill this with black. And remember, you can change the shape of the eyes if you want to. Now that we have all of this, we're gonna finish the hat by doing the end of the hat right here behind the ear, and you can put it on this side if you want to. I wanna do it on the left side. And now I wanna start making U shapes that are going all together. And now we're gonna go from this corner to this part. So we're gonna go in a little, and I wanna start making a curve going up and connecting down here. And there, that's it. We finished this bunny that is sticking out of a present. Let's check how it looks when we close it. And this is how it looks when we open. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how my present looks like in the outside. Remember, you can change the colors or the design of the present. Now let's take a look in the inside. Here's this bunny. They look super cute with this hat. Remember, you can add something in the background. You can change the colors of the bunny. You can use your imagination to finish your picture. So, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time!